Satyam Vada Dharmachara Satyamev Jayate. Good evening, friends. Shubh Sandhya. I am Vipul Kumar. Welcome all of you. News desk on income tax, GST, and corporate laws. Under corporate laws, MCA issue clarification with regard to creation of deposit repayment reserve of 20% under Section 73 of the Companies Act. In continuation to General Circular number 11/2020 dated 24th March 2020 and keeping in view the request received from various stakeholders seeking extension of time for compliance of the subject requirement on account of COVID-19, it has been decided to further extend the time in respect of the matters referred to in the para 5(6) of aforesaid circular from 30th June 2020 to 30th September 2020. All other requirements shall remain unchanged. Circular issued on 19th June 2020. Under SEBI direction to exchange to re-examine an investor complaint which was already disposed of was to be quashed. Once investor grievance redressal panel IGRP of a stock exchange dispose of complaint of investor against trading member of a stock exchange, direction of the SEBI to a stock exchange to re-examine said complaint was without jurisdiction. Let's cover news on the income tax. Section 12A registration to be granted within 6 months regardless to the fact that society was entitled to exemption or not. Registration under Section 12A should be deemed to have taken effect after 6 months from the date of the presentation of application. In another case, Kolkata Tribunal, assessee isn't precluded from filing a revised return through intimation and under Section 143 subsection 1 issued by the department. There are 4 judgments passed by the Kolkata Tribunal. First, merely because an intimation was issued under Section 143 subsection 1, same would not preclude assessee from filing revised return of income. Second, eligible accumulated loss and allowance for unabsorbed depreciation of demerged company would be allowed to be carried forward and set off in hands of resulting company. And third, where assessee had own fund of 35.48 crores as compared to investment of only 25.55 crores, a presumption was to be drawn that said investment was made out of own funds. And fourth, where rental agreement established the relation of the assessee as debt of tenant with land or building owner, and evidence of payment where available, payment of rent was to be allowed. Another case, Karnataka High Court. Advance tax liability can be adjusted against cash seized by Income Tax Department from assessee. In this case, advance tax liability can be adjusted against cash lying in account of revenue which was seized from assessee. Under GST law, confiscation notice issued due to discrepancy in registration number of vehicle mentioned in e-way bill is valid. High Court, Gujarat High Court, in this judgment, where assessee challenged validity of notice issued under Section 130 due to discrepancy in e-way bill regarding registration number of vehicle through which goods were to be transported and delivered to assessee destination. Said objection was to be set aside and validity of impugned notice was to be upheld. Companies allowed furnishing GSTR 3B and GSTR 1 through EBC till 30th September 2020. Central Board of the Indirect Tax and Custom Notification number 48/2020 dated 19th June 2020. In this notification, the government has notified that the companies registered under the provision of the Companies Act 2013 shall be allowed to furnish GSTR 3B return through EVC during the period from 21st April 2020 to 30th September 2020. Also, the said company shall be allowed to furnish GSTR 1 through EVC during the period from 27th May 2020 to 30th September 2020. In another case, Supreme Court had decided, in this case, transitional credit. Supreme Court has stayed Delhi High Court decision in case of the brand equity. Supreme Court has a state Delhi High Court decision in case of the brand equity which permitted the assessee to file form Tran 1 on or before June 30, 2020. So thank you so much for watching my news desk on income tax, GST and corporate laws. Please watch this video, share this video, and give your suggestion in comments box so that I improve and give your valuable on news sharing. Thank you so much.